Hello dear fans. How to increase the voltage on the generator. Generators convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. They are characterized by the output voltage and the permissible load current. If more voltage is needed, it can be increased, but the permissible load current will decrease. Instructions. Step 1. When using an alternator, a transformer is sufficient to increase the voltage. Choose it correctly. It must be rated for the same frequency as the generator and have a suitable transformation ratio. The generator output voltage must be such that the number of turns per volt specified for the transformer is not exceeded. Step 2. Divide the number of turns of the primary winding by the generator voltage. The result should be greater than the number of turns per volt specified in the transformer documentation. The secondary voltage will be equal to the generator output voltage multiplied by the transformation ratio. It can then be straightened and filtered. The constant voltage at the output of the filter will be 1.41 times higher than the voltage at the secondary winding. The parameters of the rectifier diodes and filter capacitors must correspond to the output voltage and current. Step 3. If the generator is generating DC current, first check to see if it is actually an AC generator with built-in rectifier. It can be removed and a transformer connected, and then placed after it another rectifier, if necessary, with a filter. Step 4. You will have to connect 3 transformers to a 3-phase generator, and then a 3-phase rectifier. Some generators are equipped with a collector rectifier. Then add a DC voltage boost device to it. At significant powers, use a mechanical converter umformer motor generator. After it, you need to install a filter. Step 5. At low capacities, the umformer is clearly redundant. Use a device called a voltage converter. It consists of a device for converting voltage from DC to pulse or AC, as well as a transformer, and, if necessary, to obtain a DC voltage at the output, also a rectifier and a filter. Step 6. Vibration transducers have become obsolete as they require replacement of the mechanism every few hundred hours. They were replaced by semiconductors. They are single-stroke and two-stroke. The first of them are more expedient to use at low capacities, the second at medium ones. In some converters, chokes are used instead of transformers, and the voltage rises due to self-induction. Such devices are always single-ended. Step 7. If the load has negative dynamic resistance, limit the current through it with an artificially active or, only with alternating current, reactive ballast. Thanks for watching.